My hook is empty. You want to see what I just took off? Coming up next. Hi everyone, I'm Diette, and welcome back to another episode of What's Off My Hook? Today's episode, I'm really excited to share with you my shawl. This shawl, I use the Redheart pattern Romantic Lace Shawl. It's linked in the description below if you want to recreate it. Now, with this shawl, I use the Redheart With Love Yarn. I used about 2 and a little bit of a third of the yarn skeins. So, you want to see? Let me show you. Okay, look. Let me tell you, friends, this I'm so happy about. First of all, the yarn is so soft. So definitely creating this shawl is so warm. Okay. But look, friends, look how long this is. It's nice and thick and can even be folded twice. If I even wanted to say, okay, I don't want to wear it as a shawl, I can wear it as a scarf. But this I will definitely be wearing as a shawl. So look, check me out. Again, friends, look how long it is. Just for 2 skeins and a little bit of a third, I would say this worked up nicely. So let me show you. I have enough to wrap it around. And like I said, nice and warm. The yarn, Redheart With Love, definitely gives it a nice soft feel. So I'm really excited how this shawl turned out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure that you like, share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.